So here we are at the local body shop. People either come and they work on their own vehicles, or there's body men, painters here, and everybody has their own space. So this guy's rebuilding a lot of vehicles. He's going to be taking this car here. And he's going to be putting most of the stuff, I guess, over here on this one. Just a shell. Still has the wiring in there. And windscreen, couple doors. So this will end up being a finished product. So after he makes all these moves, then Junior, what are you going to do with the shell? So you're gonna take all that apart and you're gonna put it onto this one. But what are you gonna do with this when you're done? You're gonna rebuild that from the ground up. Okay. And where would the likely place be that you would get an engine for it?
Yes, I'm at two places. I have one brother sent me. I'm going to check Archie.
Of course, Archie. So just off the top of your head, what would an engine run for that?
I'm not sure, you know.
The engine of about 70,000. Gearbox of about 35.
100,000
for the engine and gearbox.
So about 100,000 to get it back running again. So there you have that. Going to take this car, make another car, and then turn around and rebuild this car. They love their Hondas in Jamaica.